Back to organic chemistry. We have to find the condensed general formula. Before cross matching, I have to tell you some basic information. To find the condensed general formula of any organic compound, you always start from the general formula of CN alkane CnH2n plus 2. You always start, that is, you consider all compounds to be derived from the parent alkane and having the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay. When suppose this is a typical alkane, propane. See, whenever you insert an oxygen in between any carbon hydrogen bond, whenever you insert an oxygen in between any carbon hydrogen bond, you get an alcohol. So we can conclude that alcohol have the general formula CnH2n plus 2O. You are not separately showing OH. Condensed formula CnH2n plus 2O. If the same insertion you do in between any two carbon bonds, you get an ether. So ether will also have the same general formula, alcohol and ether, CnH2n plus 2O. Hope you got that. Now, suppose instead of inserting an oxygen, you replace two hydrogen from any carbon. Suppose you replace two hydrogen from a terminal carbon by a divalent oxygen. You have an aldehyde. Okay, so its formula will be CnH2n plus 2 minus 2O, means CnH2nO. So 2, these are the basic points one has to remember. Aldehyde, CnH2n plus 2 minus 2 means CnH2nO. If the same insertion, if done instead of on terminal carbon, on any non-terminal carbon, you have a ketone. So ketone will also be having the same general formula, aldehyde and ketone having the same general formula CnH2nO. Again, this is aldehyde with the general formula CnH2nO. Suppose you additionally insert an oxygen in the CH bond, you have an acid. And so its general formula will be aldehyde plus one oxygen CnH2nO2. And suppose you insert the oxygen in a ketone, you get an ester. So we can conclude acids and esters, carboxylic acid and esters, having the general formula CnH2nO2. Acids and esters are having the general formula CnH2nO2. Okay. Now, an amine. Coming back to the parent alkane. If you insert an NH in between any CH, you have a primary amine. If the same insertion is done in between two carbon, you have a secondary amine. If you insert a nitrogen in a junction of three carbon, there you feel that you are inserting only one nitrogen, but in effect there also you are inserting an NH. So we can say that primary, secondary and tertiary amines, CnH2n plus 2NH CnH2n plus 2 NH means CnH2n plus 3n. So it is valid for primary, secondary and tertiary amine. All are having the general formula, condensed general formula CnH2n plus 3n. Okay, that much is as the basic information. Now we can apply. Look here. You want an alka-dienone. Alka-dienone. It's a general formula you want. You start with the alkane CnH2n plus 2. You split this name as alka-dienone. So first you have to insert two double bonds, for which you have to subtract 4 hydrogen. So now it is alka-diene. Now you want to substitute 2 hydrogen by oxygen because it is a keto aldehyde group or keto group or aldehyde group. You have to subtract another 2 hydrogen and insert oxygen. So it's a general formula CnH2n minus CnH2n plus 2 minus 4O. So alka-dienone will have the general formula CnH2n minus 4O. So alka-dienone CnH2n minus 4O. B. Now saturated cyclic ester. Second case, saturated cyclic ester. See, when an alkane is converted to a cycloalkane, you are removing 2 hydrogen from the adjoining carbons. When the straight parent alkane has been cyclized, you are removing 2 hydrogen. So cycloalkane is CnH2n plus 2 minus 2. So it is cycloalkane. Like alkene, its general formula is CnH2n. Now you are removing 2 hydrogen from one carbon and replacing it with a double bond O. So 2n minus 2 CnH2n minus 2O. Now it is a cycloketone because you have from cycloalkane you have removed 2 hydrogen and replace it with one double divalent oxygen. So it is CnH2n minus 2O. Now you are also inserting another oxygen so that the ketone become a cyclic ester. Cyclic esters are called lactones. So cyclic ester CnH2n minus 2O2. CnH2n minus 2O2. So saturated cyclic ester will have the general formula A. Now alkyninol, you write the name alkyninol. You start from alkane CnH2n plus 2 alkane. Alkene, you subtract 2 hydrogen. Alkyne, you subtract another 4 hydrogen. Then you insert one oxygen because it is alcohol. O is equal to CnH2n plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So minus 4O. CnH2n minus 4O. D. Okay. Now tertiary alkanamine that we have already mentioned, CnH2n plus 3n. Now finally, anhydride of an alkanoic acid. Acid anhydride. Here you don't start from an acid, instead you start from an alkane. CnH2n plus 2. We know it is having a functional group this. C double bond O, O, C double bond O. Imagine that these two are obtained from CH2 group by replacing 2 hydrogen by divalent oxygen. So you are replacing 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen. CnH2n plus 2 minus 4. CnH2n plus 2 minus O. Then you are introducing two oxygen atom as carbonyl and one additional oxygen is inserted. So O3 is equal to CnH2n minus 2O3. CnH2n minus 2O3. So E is G. That finishes the treatment. You can make your own trials. Okay. Take care.